Today you will be learning a very easy way of making money online, and at least 5,000 naira per day. So imagine making 5,000 naira daily without even trying to rack your brain about a skill or anything. And guess what? It required very little capital, like very small capital. Yes, you heard right, like very, very little capital. And this can be done with just your smartphone, which is super, super amazing. And we all know that we need data now. We need data to go on internet, to browse, to watch your favorite movie or Netflix, or just even be active on social media. Now, this website allows you to sell data or airtime to people and make quick money off it. Yes, you heard right. So the name of this site is VTU Express. The amazing thing is it also has an app which is available on the Google Play Store. You can just type in VTU and you see the app on Google Play Store. So you don't need to go through all the stress of going through the web version. So the name of this website is called VTU Express, and in order to be able to quickly access it, you can go to vtuexpress.com on your browser and it will take you to this website. You can see here it's written, welcome to VTU Express. We offer the most affordable, most cheap data, airtime, DSTV. You can see you can even subscribe your cable here. And it's amazing. You can see it's secure, it's reliable, it's customer support. So this is super, super amazing. You can also get quick or easy data for yourself, but here we're looking at how to make money off it. So now what you want to do, you can see this is about us. You can see their services: buy data, bulk SMS, airtime top up, utility payment, that you can pay for your PHCN, then cable subscription like your DSTV, GoTV, StarTimes. So now what you need to do, of course, is to register, because you cannot have an account if you don't register. So you click on the register button. So you are taken to the sign up form. What you only need is your full name, your username, your email, your phone number, your address, then your referral username, which is the username of the person who referred you. And you can use TFI as the username. However, I will be dropping a link in this video for you to be able to quickly access it. Then you input the password, and sure, you can see they said the minimum letter is 8. Okay, and ensure that you're putting a password that you can remember. You confirm your password, then you agree to the terms of conditions. So basically, we're just going to sign up now. So now we are going to agree to the terms of condition, and what you need to do is click on sign up. Now once you are done signing in, it takes you in. Once you are done signing up, it takes you to the sign in page, where you enter that username that you already created for yourself, and you sign in. Now you can see this is a profile. You can see it's saying balance 0.0, meaning I haven't topped up any amount inside this. So what you will need to do is, you can see here there is the dashboard. There's a dashboard. There is here to buy data, here to buy airtime, here utility payment, fund wallet, pricing, and account. So I'm on the package of Smart Earner. So now if you want to top this up, you can see down here, this is your account number. You can see your account number here. See your account number. My account name is TFI VTU Express. Then bank name is Microfinance Bank, and they will charge you 50 naira. So all you need to do is send any amount to this number, any amount you wish to top up the balance. For example, if you want to buy, you can start small, maybe a 2,000 naira or 3,000 naira. That is how small you can start, because you're going to start making money from that very little capital. So all you need to do is remember, they are going to take 15 naira charge, don't forget. So if you put in 3,000, what will show here is 2,950 naira. If you put in 5,000, what we show here is 4,950 naira. So ensure that you put in you take cognizance of the 15 naira charge that will be collected. So once you have topped up your balance, now you can see buy data. Remember, I want to show you how you can make money and make profit of this. Not just, remember, you can also buy for yourself, but not just for yourself, to make money of it. So now what we will first of all do is we go to pricing, because now as a business person, your sole goal is to be able to make profits. You don't want to break even and you don't want to run at a loss. So now we go to pricing. For pricing, you can see MTN. This is MTN data. You can see we have different plans. We have 550, 1 gig, you have 3 gig, you have 4 gig, you have 5 gig, and so on and so forth. We have Glow, we have Airtel, and we have Nine Mobile. But let me give you a quickie, or let me give you a quick insight, just to remove your mind from Glow and Nine Mobile. People they use them, yes, but as a business person, this is where you make money from. MTN and Airtel, there is money in it. Now let me show you how. Now you can see there are varieties of pricing here. There are varieties. There is 50 MB at 44 naira. There's 500 MB 150, 165 naira. There's 1 gig 285 naira. There's 1.5 gig 427 naira. Now see this 2 gig 3 gig. This one, there is amazing money inside. Now let's go to MTN normal data plan. This is MTN 1.5 gig. 1.5 gig, not even 2 gig, is priced at 1,200. This one also 3 gig is priced at 1,600. Now imagine getting 2 gig at 590 naira. It is a mouth-watering offer, I can see it. 3 gig at 855 naira. Meaning you are making a huge chunk of, imagine, okay, 590 minus 1,200 minus 590. That is how much you are going to make. You can even choose to price it at 700, because people will still look at it and feel like, if MTN is selling 1.2, these people are selling 700, why can't I go for the 700? You can see the gap between it and how much you can make from it. Okay, same with this 3 gig 855 naira. Imagine making 855 naira, subtract it from 1,600, which is the original MTN data price. You have made you have made almost 800 naira difference. Now imagine it, let's keep it at 700, although it's 700 and something, like 745. So imagine selling that to 10 persons at 745 naira. You have made 7,450, just by, at the comfort of your house, with the comfort of your phone, in the comfort of your room. You can even be going about doing other things. Okay, and you can see that there's huge money inside this. So all these ones are good though, but you see this 2 gig 3 gig, those are hot cake in the idea of marketing this to people. Now let's look at Airtel. You can see Airtel plan size. You have 500, you have 1 gig, you can see 2 gig also, and you can see 5 gig also. Now let's go to the actual pricing for Airtel data plan. Now here Airtel has 1.5 gig. Just ignore this, all these ones now just fizzy. 1.5 gig for 1000 naira. You have 2 gig for 1200 naira. You have 3 gig for 1500 naira. Now let's see what VTU has for us. Now you can see that 1 gig is just 235 naira. So 1000 minus 235 naira, that is about 765 naira, if I'm not mistaken. If you multiply it, maybe you receive 10 persons in a day for just that 1 gig. Maybe a quick 1 gig before the person, like just someone that quickly wants to sub 1 gig for just 235 naira. You have made how much? That is 765 naira times 10. That is, I'm not sure I'm getting the calculations right because I'm not using my calculator, but just imagine how much you are going to make. Then 2 gig 470 naira. Let's see the actual 2 gig price. 2 gig is 1200, but here 2 gig is just 475 naira. So imagine how much you are going to be making extra, which is super sweet. So imagine focusing on MTN and Airtel data plan. It's not like you have to do something extreme or rack your head about the skill or anything, but this is just a very cool side hustle that can make you at least 5000 naira daily. And this is one avenue where you can make money. Remember, as you can buy airtime, you can also do utility bill payment, cable subscription, and stuff like that. Utility payment, cable subscription. But we are going to just focus on the data plan. Here is where the gold mine is. Now another way that you can earn money is through referrals. You can see, refer people to VTU Express and earn 500 naira immediately when the person upgrades his or her account to affiliate, and 1000 naira when the person upgrades his or her account to top user. So you can see here, as I just opened it here, it is on Smart Earner. So if you want to know how to upgrade your account to affiliate or top user, leave your comments in the comment section, leave your questions in the comment section. And don't forget, if you are wondering where can I sell my data plan, after I know this information, where can I sell this data, it is super easy. This is it goes from you already have contact. It goes from your contacts on your list, from your friends and your families. Imagine just posting it on your WhatsApp status. You already have contacts who are already there viewing your WhatsApp status. You have Facebook, you can post it on your Facebook. You can post it on your Instagram, probably like a picture. It is super easy. You can even do talk, you can do one-on-one discussion, talk to your friends, talk to your family members that I sell data at a cheap price, and you'll be amazed how much will be swooping in every day. Now remember, you have to first of all put some money here, okay? And you go to fund wallet. You can either pay with Paystack ATM, you can pay with automated bank transfer 15 naira charge, and with coupon. So the preferable way for me is to pay with the bank transfer with the 15 naira charge, and this is where you can find your account number just on the lower part of your dashboard. So do well to like this video if you found this helpful. Do well to comment if you have any questions, and do not forget to subscribe for more. This is TFI, the Finance Intel, and I basically show you how to make money online, how to leverage different platforms and tools for your profitability, for your finance. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.